Okay, we're on. Why don't you start out low? Dan's new ceiling fan.
Brushed nickel finish made by Hunter.
And there it is on high, and it just hauls butt.
Makes it freezing in here.
Gonna be nice this summer. And it gets warm upstairs.
This is medium. And this pull chain doesn't really do any much. It just controls the light like always.
Right. Cool. I'll go to low. And then flip on that light so we can see the globe light up. And it's like like a world globe on it. Here, turn it off now. It'll be better. We can. Oh, there you go. Oh, and you can turn the light off from there or the switch.
Yeah. And off. And if right here it says north, south, east, west.
Right.
And plus the blades are dust armor.
And they're reversible. They're black on the back, so someday he doesn't want the spaceships. He can flip it over just black.
Yeah. And also it can turn the other way in cold weather, and right now it's in duty for warm weather.
Oh, you mean you can reverse the fan, yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Very cool. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.